Hello dear, welcome to another Tech Explain video of the day. Are you a beginner that want to learn web development? Or, you started but don't know what language to use? This video is for you. Today we will talk about front-end development. Be sure to watch this video up to the end, because a lot of vital info will be given. So without wasting time, let's dive to it. What is front-end development? Front-end development is the practice of converting data to a graphical interface so that the user can view and interact with that data. To become a front-end developer, you need to start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the fundamental languages to learn as a front-end developer. So what are the purposes of these languages? HTML is the structure or building block of web pages. CSS makes web pages beautiful. It helps developers manage web pages or web applications formatting, layout, and presentation. And JavaScript to program the web pages to enable user interaction. The very websites you have seen on the internet are built in these languages. As good as you are using these languages, then you are all the way up as a good front web developer. Imagine building a website using a lot of repetitive tasks. Here front-end framework and libraries come in. Frameworks come with a lot of code that can be reused. This helps to work faster and save time. That's the reason companies nowadays often use these popular frameworks and libraries. Angular, Vue and React. But wait, I mentioned libraries and frameworks, right? Yes, libraries are different from frameworks. Among these, React is not a framework, but rather a library. So, what is the difference between libraries and frameworks? A framework forces application into a structure. All applications built with Angular or Vue end up looking similar, but libraries do not. They only provide codes for reused. So in simple words, you tell libraries what to do, frameworks tell you what to do. So, what are the responsibilities of a front-end developer? 1. Responsive presentation. Fact that users now use a large variety of devices with varying screen sizes and resolutions. Front-end developers must see to it that the website or web application is usable across different devices. 2. Testing the site for usability and fixing any bugs. 3. Maintaining workflow management of web pages. 4. Production and maintenance of websites and web application user interfaces. Working on a smaller project, CSS is a perfect choice, but using it on large projects, CSS becomes bulkier and has limitations. Anytime there is a new feature in CSS, all browsers need to support that, but unfortunately, this is a decelerate process. Here CSS preprocessors come in. A CSS preprocessor is a program that lets you generate CSS from the preprocessor's own unique syntax. However, most CSS preprocessors will add some features that don't exist in pure CSS, such as mixin, nesting selector, inheritance selector, and so on. We have the same problem with JavaScript because it's like a kind of old and has some constraint, so a lot of developers nowadays use improved languages like CoffeeScript or TypeScript. When developers code in TypeScript, then the code is being given to a tool called transpiler, which translates and compile to JavaScript for all browser can understand. So, to summarize all, first, you need to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript and understand it quite well before you start learning frameworks or libraries. After that, you can learn about version control systems like Git. There is a link in the video description to learn about Git. Learning TypeScript and Sass gives you the upper hand over others. These are the absolute requirement you will find in any job description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share with others, and also subscribe to my channel for future videos.